All right, for my friends at home, we recorded our lesson today, but I have some bad news. What happened is you only got the audio and not all of the image. So I'm going to work backwards from our lesson. This is where we ended on page 26. And then we went to PE, and the rest of your friends are going to do some IP independent practice on the next slides, which I will show you what they are in just a moment. So let's first talk about what we have here, okay? What we have on this page is a review of what we've discussed with digits. Digits are any of the numbers 0 through 9, because once you put two digits together, then you have a two-digit number, which brings us to the HTO or the TO chart, tens and ones. So TO chart, right? In this number here, 64, we have 6 tens and 4 ones. The 6 is in the tens place, which would mean the value of the 6 would be 60, because we have 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And the value of the 4 would be 4, because we only have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did some guided practice on this page, numbers 1 through 4 together. And the first number was 26. Everybody had to say, how many tens? 2. So what's the value of the 2? 20. How many ones? 6. So what's the value of the 6? 6. All right, so next, number 2. We said, what's the number? 58. What digit is in red? 5. What place is the 5 in? Tens. So what is the value if I have 5 tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And how many ones? There you go. All right, how about the next number? 40. What digit is in red? 4. How many tens are there? 4. What is the value of the 4? 40. All right, go to the next one. What's the number? 73. What digit is in red? 3. So what is the value? What place is the 3 in? Ones place, which means it is only worth 3. Do number 5 and 6 by yourself. Then you're going to begin working on page 27. I want you to do the red ones first. So number 8, number 9, and number 11. Then you can go back and do number 7, and number 10, and number 12. I'm also going to attach a video for Math on the Spot that will talk more about understanding digits and their place value. When you finish doing page 27, of course, I want you to go ahead and do page 28. And for page 28, I want you again thinking about that place value chart, tens and ones, your TO chart, okay? Every time you write a 2-digit number, remember, only 1 digit per column. So if my number was 56, I would have to write 5 in the tens and 6 in the ones. If I have 5 tens, that means I have 50, okay? So use your TO chart to help you complete page 28. And then finally, you get to review.
That's all that fit inside the ones place value line. So I picked another pair and made a group of 10 to fit into a bag perfectly even. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 70, 80, 90. I had to keep picking pears, the hunger I had to feed. So I picked another 10, and that led to one group of 100.
A pear bumped me on the head, and I said,
10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. I rode my bike 1 whole mile, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in a little while, another mile made one group of 10. A little voice inside my head said,
keep going, I know you can.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I never knew I had so many miles inside me. The end of my trip was coming up ahead. I rode 10 more miles and reached 100.
Then that little voice inside my head said,
10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. After the bell rang at 8 o'clock, I started playing with my base 10 blocks. I stacked up 9, and then one more made 10, and then 10 tens equaled 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Another 100 wouldn't fit in the 100 space. I had to write one group in the thousands place. Then I played the air bass. 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 groups of 1,000 equal 10,000. 10,000s make 100,000. And 10 of those make 1 million. And the pattern has no end.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. So let's go ahead and do your IP work, and this is tonight's homework. So if you have your book at home, you can just go ahead and continue on. If you don't have your book at home, you can take a look at this and complete the work on your own. Okay, you can do it on a separate sheet of paper, but I promise you we are going to be working on this in our stations also, and I also gave you work in GoMath, so you can go ahead and do GoMath as well. All right, my friends, do great thinking. I'll see you very, very soon. We miss you.